Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today we are going to be seeing how much money I was able to save in this past month of September in all of my different savings binders. So let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, I have all these challenges laid out here in front of me. We have minis, we have tinies right here, all of my debt binder stuff, both of those, Freebie Fridays, and my box challenge days. So let me organize all of this and I'll be right back. All right, as always, we're going to start with our Freebie Fridays, and I'm just going to write down everything here so that I can keep track of it for the end of the year. So for Fridays, we got 15 from this challenge, and then this one we got 24, and then we got 22. So that is 61. So all the Friday money we already put into our holiday envelopes, so we don't have any money to put away for that. Next, let's do my box challenge days. So this one got $188. Let's see, 150, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. Yes, 188. So this is all going towards our business expenses. So we can go ahead and put that right into our business envelope here. So we have this started for next month, which is great, and we should finish another box challenge here soon, hopefully next week, and then we'll add that money too, and hopefully we'll be all set for September. Okay, let's do debt next. So these challenges all go towards debt. I have car payment, I have credit card payment, I have student loans, which I haven't even really started working on that much right now. So let's see what we have with this. Okay, this little pumpkin challenge by me, we got 35. All right, this challenge was a coloring one, Hello Kitty by Cindy Cat Budgets. We saved 106. So 35 plus 106. So we have 105 and 1. Actually, I'll add them all up at the end. Okay, all of these challenges bundled together because I needed change. So this was my Ants Go Marching game, and then we finished this one, my collab with Eva and the Courtneys. We have this one that saved us $30, which was the Q3 Savings Squad. We finished this one, which saved us $156, which was Shut the Berry Box. So all of those together, we have 100, 200, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So 214. All right, then all of these challenges, we have this one from Narrow Spicy Budgeting, this one from the Mrs. Champion, this one from Angela Marie, and this one from Savings with Tracy, and all of those equaled $100. I had to go in and make change so many times, you guys. And then we had this scratch off from the Faithful Dash, this one from Dawn Sunrise Budgeting, and both of those saved us $100 together. Then we had my group play for September, and this one from Wild Everest, and in these two challenges we got 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then we have some more scratch off challenges here. This one by Saving with Tiffany, this one by Budget with Amanda. We got 100, 5, 10, 11. And then finally, all of these challenges. So this one by Bookish Mama Budgets, this one by Joe at Liam's Mom 247, this one by Autumn at Restoration by Autumn, and this one by Anna Banana Budgets and Lacey at Blue Kiwi Budgets. With all of those, we got 101, 2, 3, and 4. So let's see how much total we have here. All right, and this is where I'll use my calculator. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800. 20, another 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So $888 that we saved in our debt binders. So all of this money will go to the bank so that I can put it towards my debt. All right, next, let's do these tiny challenges. So we had this one by Greta at Agape Book Club, saved us 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one by Budgeting with Lisandra, we saved 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one by the Cafecito Budget, we saved 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one by Plan to Save Designs, we saved 30, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. This one I'm not sure who it was by, but we saved 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one by Savvy Girl Saves, we saved, 8. We should have saved 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one by Happy to Save with Hannah, we should have saved 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one by Vicky Thinks, we should have saved 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one by Alexis a Dying Outlaw, we should have saved 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, I'm running out of space for my ones. This one by Bookish Mama Budgets, we should have saved 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one by Teacher Mom Budgets, we should have saved 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one by Toria's Budgets, we should have saved 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so let's count that up all together. We have 10 plus 5, 10, 15, 20 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 29, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, so we have 136 with our tiny challenges. So I'm going to be reallocating this money in my next video, so make sure you stick around for that because it's really fun to see and it's really fun to do. All right, and then finally we have our mini Mondays. So we have this one by Dawn, saved us 32, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. This one by Brittany at Enchanted Toadstool Budget, saved us 25, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This one by Becca Ken Budget, saved us 30, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. This one by Budget with Amanda, saved us 24. Goodness, that one is weak. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, this one by Budget with Amanda saved us 30, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. This one by Greta at Agape Book Club saved us 18, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And this one made by Aurora saved us 18, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so altogether these challenges saved us 20, 40, 60, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. 47. All right, so 172 in our mini Mondays. That's awesome. Okay, so let's add all of these up and see how much we saved total with all of our challenges. So 61 plus 188 plus 888 plus 136 and 172. Wow, so we saved $1,445, guys. That is insane. I feel like I say that every month. I am adding more to my debt binders because instead of just taking it out of my bank and putting it directly towards debt, I take it out and I play with it, do my challenges, and then I'm going to put this towards debt. But that is a great amount to save this month. So I'm super, super happy with that, guys. That's awesome. So thank you so much for watching. Come back next time and I'll have my little reallocation video for you guys. Bye.